10 stupid money habits keeping you broke in 2025. Still broke in 2025? Inflation's high, rent's worse, and your paycheck disappears faster than your will to open your banking app. Today, we're roasting 10 dumb money habits. Ones that are keeping you poor, stressed, and Googling cheap meals with 3 ingredients. Let's get you unbroke, or at least less broke. 1. Lifestyle creep. You got a raise, not a Ferrari. You made more money this year? Congrats. So obviously, you needed a new phone, a new wardrobe, and a new $6 oat milk habit. Reality check. If your income increases, but so does your spending, you're just getting fancy broke. Save the raise, invest the raise, don't spend it like it insulted your family. 2. Minimum payments. Only, aka the bank's favorite customer. Making minimum payments on credit cards is like pouring 1 drop of water on a house fire. You're not paying off your balance, you're just donating to the interest gods. You're literally paying to be poor. Fix. Use the avalanche method. Highest interest first, or snowball method. Smallest balance first. Just don't do the no method. 3. No budget, just vibes. I don't like to budget. I just check my bank app and go with the flow. The flow is going one direction, out. A budget doesn't have to be intense. Use apps like Inap, Monarch, or even a boring old Google sheet. Track what's coming in and where it's running away to. 4. Financing everything, even your toaster. 3:30, 4:30. BNPL, buy now, pay later, is like a diet that starts next Monday. You still overeat now. Financing a car? Okay. Financing a $70 hoodie? Stop it. That's not style, it's debt in disguise. 5. Impulse spending because of deals. 75% off? That's basically free? No, Brenda. That's 75% off something you didn't need at 100%. Sales aren't savings if you're spending. The algorithm knows your weaknesses. Don't let 2 a.m. Amazon browsing become your retirement plan. 6. Subscriptions you forgot about you. You're not broke. You're being slowly bled by 5 $9.99 subscriptions you forgot exist. Audit your subscriptions monthly. Use Rocket Money or Truebill to find and cancel zombie fees. 7. Ignoring your credit score. Like it's an X, 630, 730. Your credit score isn't just for buying a house. It affects everything from interest rates to your car insurance. Free apps like Credit Karma or Experian let you track and fix it. Pay bills on time. Keep your credit usage under 30%. Don't ghost your score, it'll ghost you back. 8. No emergency fund, just vibes and venti lattes. 7:30, 8:30. 1 flat tire, and suddenly you're selling Funko Pops on eBay. Life throws curveballs. You need 3-6 months of expenses in a separate savings account. Even $20 a week adds up. It's not about fear, it's about options. 9. Saving without investing, aka losing money. Slowly. If your money's in a savings account earning 0.01% interest, congrats. You're losing money to inflation. In HD, learn basic investing. Use index funds, VTI, SPY. Try robo-advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment. Automated. Let compound interest work while you sleep. 10. Treating crypto like a casino. Look, I love Bitcoin, but if your plan is to 100x overnight on Hamster Coin 420, you're not investing, you're gambling. Pro tip, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Stick to projects you understand. Diversify. And yes, actually read a white paper once in your life. There you go. 10 money habits that are quietly draining your wallet while you're busy vibing. Like the video if your wallet cried at least once. Comment which habit hit you hardest. Subscribe for more tips, laughs, and fewer broken bank accounts. Stop being broke, start being smart.